Containers and empty tag. Container tags are both those tags which starts and which needs to end. That is, as I said, I want to do some italic work. This content, I say hi. I want this to be italic. So I say I, and then I have to use a backslash. This is a container tag because these two are containing hi. But there are empty tags. Empty tags means if you write BR is for creating a line or a line break. So for that BR, you don't require this BR. You don't require this. You just say BR and this will do. You don't have to write anything also. BR means line break. Similarly, if you want to have a line, if we want to put a line in the web page, you do HR. This is HR, horizontal rule. This is also an empty tag. Then we have command also, which is called as comment. But this comment will be ignored by the HTML. How to write it? This is a comment. Angle bracket followed by exclamation followed by 2 dash. Write anything here. This will be ignored by the HTML. But it needs to be an empty tag also. How does it end? 2 dash and angle bracket. All these will be skipped or ignored by the web browser. So this body tag, which is the second section, there are two sections, head section and body section of an HTML page. This body tag has background, that is the whole web page background. This is BACK background if you want to put some image on the background. Text is there, this specifies the color of the text in the document. Link will say the color of the link. If you have any hyperlink, when you click, it will take you to some other page. That is the link. A link is the active link, which you have just which is active and you can use it. V link means you have already clicked it. You have already clicked it and now you need to revisit. You need to see that color. How to format the elements? When you want to write any web page, you see this page, as you see here, this whole page is like a HTML page only. You see the paragraph, you see this heading. This is the upper heading, this is the lower heading, means the heading inside this. This is in some color, this is in some color. So for that we need to format elements so that generally what you write as a page, it should be shown as a page in the web page. So we start with the heading tag. Heading tag goes from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest, H6 is the smallest. So H1, this is the largest font followed by all the larger font, medium large, medium small, smaller and smallest. So when you actually run this code H1 to H6, you will see the size of the code and these are decreasing. These are in the decreasing order. Then we have a font tag. Font tag is the style of the text you want to write. So font tag also has some attribute like the face. What type of font you want? Size. What is the size of the font? It ranges from -7 to +7. What is the color of the tag, the text you want? So this is how a simple example I can give you. Font face, this is book Antica and this is case insensitive. You can write it anyway. Then this is the font color. Red will come in this color, green will this, and blue will come in blue color. Then this content, because it is given inside font size +5, so the regular text, it will increase +5 point. And this regular, this is also regular, but it will decrease -3 point. As you see the result, this is the result. These are the colors and these are the +5 and -3. You can say is the incarnation of what you have given in your code. So this you can nest also if you want to give this all these in different color. This is the way. Now entering paragraph text on your web page. So this is a paragraph. See this paragraph we have started, and paragraph has also one important property which is called as the alignment. This is center. You can make it left, right. So you started with P. You have said that font size should be +4, and you said the paragraph is centered. This is the content inside your paragraph. So this is paragraph starting, paragraph end. So please listen to me that this paragraph /P ending is nowadays it is very optional. You can just skip it also. So this is now centrally aligned paragraph stuff. The center tag. Sometimes it may not be possible to use align attribute again and again along with the tag. So what you can do is you can use nested form of center tag once and use other tags inside the opening and closing center tags. So here what we have done, we have started with the center and we have ended with the center, and then all the things which are coming inside will be in coming center, whether it be some font, some break, some horizontal rule, means this line will come, this will give you a blank space or a line break. So this is a paragraph you have given. This is the end of paragraph, this is the end of font. So as you see the result, everything is coming in the centrally aligned form. This is a horizontal line, this is the BR break. Now you can do the bold, italics and underline. You want to do the bold, use B, italic for I, this U for underline. So this you can do like this. You can start with a heading and say italic. This content will be get italic. This is italic inside, but it is outside bold, so it will be bold and italic. You see, these are the results: bold, italic, and the previous one.